because this marks another step in the journey towards having two carriers capable of delivering effect all over the world for the next 40 years, something of real significance to this country. If one looks at the uncertainty of the future, one recognises that we, the UK, want to be part of ensuring stability in that uncertain future. These carriers offer real joint capability for us to act where the government of the day may want us to act in support of both the Air Force and the Army in delivering whatever effects are required.
Well, we are an island nation. We are totally dependent upon world trade for so many of the vital necessities of life. And a lot of those goods, travel by sea, and their safety and the freedom of the seas are going to be important to this country's well-being, in the future, as important as they have been in the past. And how long have you been cutting underwater?
We've only been practicing about 2-3 weeks now. It's a brand new machine.
Right.
So hopefully it's all going to work. It's been fine up to now. So
Right, where's the book now?
Right.
We ordered this in November.
Okay. Look, these are the most powerful ships that the Navy has ever owned that are being built here, and the contribution to our industrial base, well over 10,000 jobs, in various places around the country, 3,000 of them here in Portsmouth. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it is my enormous pleasure to cut this piece of steel in a way that I didn't know was possible until a few seconds ago. Here we go. Well, I don't think we can underestimate the contribution that defence plays to our skill base in this country. It is huge. That's in the aircraft domain as well as in the naval domain. But the jobs, the skills, the apprenticeship, the investment is very, very substantial.
The aim of DE&S's input into the carrier is critical, because we've been given a strategic requirement by the Ministry of Defence, and we now have to galvanise industry to build in the biggest and most complex ship that we have ever done for the Royal Navy, and that's in its 1,000 years of history. So the DE&S, through the carrier project team and all the other project teams that are involved through the aviation side, the special forces and other people that will utilise the carrier, have the opportunity to make the very best with an economic and sustainable solution. That, I think, is what DE&S is about, and this will show the pinnacle of that in the 10 and 20 years to come.
This is phenomenal. This is a seam welder, so if you imagine...
Because DE&S underpin the design and the support of this carrier for the Royal Navy during that 40 years, and therefore are key and will continue to be key to its operational delivery.
It's about a culmination of about 10 years' work to get this, the first piece of the Queen Elizabeth class, here in Portsmouth Naval Base. And that then gives us the confidence to go ahead and prepare the naval base for what is going to be the largest ship ever to arrive into a naval base in the UK.